Hi. Okay. I've had a lot of people asking me, when should I sell my silver? Okay. And quite often people are saying, I'm going to wait until silver gets back to $40 an ounce. Silver today is 27. It was up to 50 last year. Okay. Will it go back to 40? The answer is yes. Yes, silver will go back to $40 an ounce. However, if we look back in history, around 1980, the Hunt brothers rose the silver price up to $50 an ounce. It fell down quickly back to $4 an ounce for the next 30 years. So unless you can wait 30 years, you may not be seeing 40. So 27 is a pretty good price. It's generally things overcompensate. So it went up a little too fast, now it's coming down, and it's like catching a knife. It's going down, it's not going to go back up, I don't think, my guess. I think it's going to continue a slow decline. Okay. Reasons are supply and demand. Okay. There's a lot of silver coming on market. The mines are producing more than they ever have before. There's a lot of scrap silver coming on the market from people who are melting it. So there's a lot of silver coming. And then if you look at the world economy, the United States is talking about 1.9 or even 1.5% growth. China's talking about slower growth. India is talking about slower growth. India is quite an interesting story. They are the biggest buyers of gold and silver per capita in the world. And their currency has been falling against the U.S. currency quite dramatically, 23% this year. So the gold and silver looks quite expensive in their local currencies. Okay, another thing is that disposable income in the United States is falling, and I think it'll continue to fall. We're looking at big tax increases, no matter who's in charge next year. There certainly won't be the votes in the Senate to, get rid of the tax increases. Two things really brought that out recently, and one was Super Value. Super Value last week said they're seeing a lack of disposable income. People are trading down at the grocery store. They're buying generics, they're buying store brands, and the profit isn't there that there are in like the Tide and etc., things like that, the name brands. And the company said, we just don't know what to do. It's really hurt our profit margins, and we're either going to sell the company or sell parts of the company. Well, it probably wasn't a real good thing to say because the stock fell 49% the next day. It was considered a stable stock paying a nice dividend. And so I think the last place people cut back is the grocery store. Although I have a good customer who's a dentist, and he said, the first place that people cut back is dental work. Well, if I had a toothache, I think I would disagree with that. Anyway, the other one was the chairman of the Sands Casino in Las Vegas was giving his ideas on the economy last week. And he said, there's more people than ever coming to Las Vegas, but the amount that they're betting and the amount that they're spending is quite reduced. This is the sign of tapped out people. Tapped out people are not going to be spending a lot of money investing in gold and silver. So I do see the trend, falling. For prices, I think we're more likely to see $9 an ounce than we are to see 40. So, thank you.